I guided two ways to share an Instagram post to your Facebook after posting on Instagram. So let's go to your profile and select any of the random posts that you need to share to Instagram. So click on this. So let me select this image to share to my Facebook. So tap on three lines over the top. Here you can see share to Facebook will definitely shown because Facebook and Instagram are owned by Meta. So it will link through share to Facebook. And if you click on share to Facebook, it will ask for shared once or always shared posts that from Instagram. If you want every post of your Instagram to say share to Facebook before posting, so you can switch to always shared posts. So if you want only shared once, click on share once. If you click on share once, that will be shared. And if you click on, if you can't find this through, so you can here in the bottom of the profile, you can have this little profile icon. I mean, aeroplane icon. You can go through Facebook, share as link. Here you can share to your feed through your friends, or you can add to it album. So you can post it. You can tag people. You can check in or location, and you can write captions like here. This is the two ways that you can share an Instagram post to Facebook after posting. Thank you.